Hello, my name is Ionis Dizoglu. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show and hide columns, rows, and even worksheets. Why should we sometimes need to hide rows, columns, or even worksheets? Because we don't want other people. Simple answer is because we don't want other people to see them. For example, I've got here option 1, option 2, option 3. Let's replace that. Okay, so we have option 1, option 2, option 3 up to option 5, 6. And in the previous tutorial, basically show you how to apply data validation. Now, I don't want people to be able to see these options because I don't want people to edit these options. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight these options. I'm going to right click and select cut. And I'm going to select here on the far away here. I'm going to right click and select paste. Now when I do this, if I click and drag here, my referencing is still there. So if I change this option to something else, ours there, this option is still there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go one up to put option 1. Okay, so what I need to do now, I don't want people to mess about with this. So I'm gonna right click and select hide. Now people will not be able to see this. Now if I want to see this, I can always click and drag here to expand to actually make it visible again. Or if I right click and select hide, I could actually highlight the cell before and the cell after, right click and select unhide. So this is how to hide cells and this is how to unhide cells. Okay, sorry, columns. The same you do with the rows. So if I say, for instance, I would like to put, say, for instance, some data here. I want to put 1, and then I'm just gonna click and drag here. All right. So if I want to basically hide this row, I can actually right click and select hide. And if I want to unhide it, I can actually click and drag here, oops, downwards to unhide it manually. Or if I right click and select hide, I can highlight the row before and the row after, right click and select unhide to unhide the rows. Now, if I would like to hide a worksheet, so like the notes, I want the notes only for the developers, I can always right click here and select hide. So the notes now are no longer visible. If I would like to make them visible again, I can right click here and select unhide. So I can right click on any of the worksheets here and select unhide, and then the hidden worksheets will be displayed here. So if I say, let's say for instance, I hide the main menu, hide the employees, hide the payslip, hide the payroll, hide the charts, okay, and hide, no, I need to display at least one thing here, yeah, or even if I hide this, it will give me an error anyway. But if I right click here now and select on hide, I can actually select which worksheet I want to unhide. So I'm just going to select the payslip, click OK. So now I can actually right click and hide the rates. So I have only one worksheet here available. And if I want to make them all visible again, I can click one by one, right click on hide, select OK, right click on hide, select OK, right click on hide, select OK, and so on and so forth. So this is how you hiding and you revealing cells, rows, columns, or even worksheets by using Microsoft Excel. I hope you've learned something new today. I hope you will be able to apply these new skills onto your projects. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.